Okay, guys. Same day as the turbo stuff. Just time for another project. So, we got this guy. This little rubber grommet. Look at that little hole. That hole is going to be gone. My rubber grommet worked well for a long time. Like 3 years. So, what we're going to do, unbolt it, and then I'm going to go in behind, stick a piece of duct tape on there or something, and then I'm going to probably cut out a little bit of the fiberglass thing and just kind of get like something to fit in here, so that way it's easier. And then, yeah, I mean, that's the plan, guys. Fill this hole. So let's do that. And it looks like unbolting it should give us more than enough because I can reach it. So that's good. Let's make this happen. Alright, we got it down. I have a feeling this isn't fiberglass, but we're going to fiberglass it anyhow, guys. So let's do this. Put a piece of duct tape on the back, and we just got to cut out a little guy for that. So let's do that. Okay. So it's not like a perfect plug, but it's something. So now I'm going to mix up some resin, and yeah. So what I'll probably do, I'll probably mix up an ounce, 10 drops. So an ounce of that, 10 drops of hardener, and then we'll just put it on. So let's do that. Alright, we got it on there. Got a couple layers, and then I had a little bit of resin left over, so I kind of just put some duct tape on the back side and just fill these holes with resin. Probably not that strong, but it doesn't matter. So now we wait for that to cure. So once it's cured and it's not tacky anymore, you can go ahead and start sanding. So let's start sanding. Alright, here it is. I put some filler primer over it. It's filler and sandable. You can see it'll still need a little bit of body work. Just a little bit of glaze putty, and that'll fill in all these little pinholes, and it'll be good to go. Or you could probably maybe do a couple more layers of that filler and sandable. Spray it, wipe it, spray it. But I'll just do a little glazing putty. When I go to do, I'll do like a good day of glazing, because we're going to do like that and like that. Might even try and do like all this stuff too. So I might just do like a full day of little body work. And this stuff I'll probably have to do a couple more times. So, but I have to also, another fiberglass project will be covering up these holes to make them look better. So, yep, that's where we're at, guys. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. And share the videos, you know, if you like them, whatnot. So, let's do that.